Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where the Great Maw is in Subnautica. It's a giant clam, and we're going to do some clam slamming here today. So I'm right next to and crashing into the Lifepod, and when you're going from the Lifepod, we want to go to the south, sort of southwest, at around Mark 195 is probably good. We're just going to zip out to the south past the welcome center, which I'm passing to my left, and then as we go through here there's this giant chasm, and there's going to be a wreckage over to, well, up in front of me but kind of off to our left as well. And this is the hole that we come out of at the very start of the game through the rescue pod after we get our first adaptation. And then once you go just past this wreckage here, going between 195 and 210, you'll see this object, and you're like, that doesn't look like a clam, Larry, until you go to the side and scan this bad boy, and then you find out that this is a juvenile great maw. It is a small clam that if you drive inside of here, you'll notice that there's this big tongue, and those inside of it are big old chunks of lithium. And if you damage or knock around any of these little strands, the eyes, you see those big orbs over there, will open and say hello to us. Oh, and now it's starting to close. So if you disturb too many of them, it begins to close, and then it emits a neurotoxin, which kills anything trapped inside. But if you're brave enough and quick enough and careful enough, you can go inside with your sonic blaster, and you can get those free things of lithium. And then once it's done killing whatever is inside, it resets, including, you might notice, those tendrils, although there's still some neurotoxins, so be careful. So that's how you find the Great Maw. This is actually one of the prey items for the collector leviathan, the giant squid. And the only reason why this one is seemingly still alive is because it's so far over here to the, I guess this is what, to the west of where the collector leviathan hangs out. So it avoided being eaten. Although who's to say, maybe this thing is still on the menu despite how big it's gotten. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how you find the Great Maw inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found that helpful, or at least interesting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.